Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I would like to show you how we can watch TikTok without installing the app. And then if you want to watch TikTok video without installing TikTok, you have to get the link of the video from your friend who has TikTok. And then if your friend has shared that link to you, you just have to click on the link. This is the link. Just click on the link, and then the Google will bring us to the link of the TikTok video. And if you want to play the video, you just have to click on this play button. It's right here. Just click it, and now the video is being played and we can watch the video. Alright. Okay guys, that's how we can watch TikTok video without installing the app. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.